I don't know what to call this. Good morning or good evening. Good evening, everybody. I apologize. I'm late because I have to fix my car. It's 15 inside and 17 outside, so it's big. So thank you so much to all of you who are here and patient. Um, no, the Morales one, I have big cut also. This side and this side, both. Now both. Before only here. Now in the left side. It's okay. Yes. Tonight the fight is good, but I'm trying to, my opponent is trying to Gasha and to knock me out, and I'm trying to knock him out also. But there are a couple of times that he hit me also a good right hook and left hook, but it's okay. I managed on that punches. But all I can say this fight is I'm satisfied because the Bradley that I fought last 2 years ago is different now. He's improved a lot. He showed his toughness. We see it. We see that in his last two fights with Marquez and Roslan. So, but many times I got it. I hit him hard, but still there.